tsaka si Sir Joel.
Actually, nag-react kanina yung fans mo, yung eksena niya with Miss LT.
Sabo na lang.
Diba?
At sobrang exciting yun for me. Tsaka sobra po akong kinabahan. Reading the script pa lang, and when we were discussing it also from the creative team, from the writers to the directors. Pero nung ginagawa po namin yung eksena with Mommy LT, parang renown namin siya. Tapos sabi ko, Mom, can you, taksan mo na. Gawin mo na talagang makatotohanan para talagang maramdaman natin. Kasi syempre, she was very respectful and ako rin super respectful. Respectful. Take two, ayan. Tapos, we did this scene na very parang real with our emotions. And parang sa akin, it's an honor to be slapped by Miss Lorna Tolentino. Kaya sabi ko, sige na, laksa mo na. Diba?
And kay Sir Joel, kasi second time, di ba, from Isolated. Ano yung mga natutunan mo ba sa kanya?
One thing sometimes, the pinaka-favorite ko kay tatay is for him to say parang, just relax. Just let it flow. Na feeling ko sometimes, I still get very pressured. Siyempre, kahit na matagal na po tayong gumagawa ng mga serye and pelikula. And I get really starstruck with tatay and a lot of other actors. But he would just tell me parang, it's okay, relax. And the moment po na nakaka-relax ako, parang doon ko nabibigay yung pinaka-sincere na emotion.
With Raymond Pagansing, may awkwardness ba? Gawin niyo? Ano yung medyo may... Doon sa napanood natin.
Napanood niyo na po ba? Ako po, hindi ko pa po napapanood eh. Hindi ko po napanood kasi wala po ako ng premiere. Pero very happy ako with how it turned out. And working with Kuya Raymond, that's what I call him. We planned the scene po together. Tapos, parang tinit namin siya as something that's choreographed. And we had to feel on each other kasi feeling ko that's one thing that's very important with scenes like that. Never ko pa po nagawa. That's the first time po na makagawa po ako ng ganong klaseng eksena. So, ayun, there's another reason kung bakit po po ito tinanggap. Para iba naman, di ba? Para may bago. And so, he was very kind na ginaid niya po ako all throughout. Tapos, naging very open din po siya with my suggestions kung ano namin gagawin. So, ito sa nice dynamic ensemble as well with Donnie and Miss LT coming into the scene.
Direct,
That's nice.
Is the Isolated project